Is your Zplane apps broken by the Elastique Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's walk through the automated process to fix your installation. Before we get into the manual guide for Elastique Library, you can try the suggested utility for improving overall system health. This is the Elastique Library, the Zplane Elastique time stretching engine. It manages localized high-fidelity, localized pitch shifting, and time stretching for localized professional audio workstations, DAWs, mandatory for localized real-time audio manipulation. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. Errors involving Elastique Library DLL typically indicate that the Zplane files within your application are damaged, so reinstalling the specific software you are using that is throwing the error will refresh the local file tree and restore the module. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Elastique Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it, or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. If you are still seeing the error after a reboot, it indicates that the application's local file structure is damaged, so you should perform a clean reinstallation by deleting the program's hidden app data folders. This ensures that old configuration files are not blocking the new version of your DLL from being deployed by the official installer. Why are we doing this? Well, third-party libraries are often cached in temporary directories, and a clean wipe is the only way to force the software to recognize a fresh library file. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. The risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out files like Elastique Library DLL in your System32 folder. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. Review options for improving responsiveness and system safety by consulting the repair resource linked below for Elastique Library. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including Elastique Library dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.